7 types of vegetables good for diabetics. Did you know that the right vegetables can act like a secret weapon for managing diabetes? Not all greens are created equal, and some pack a powerful punch in balancing blood sugar and boosting overall health. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into 7 types of vegetables that are a game changer for diabetics. Whether you're looking for nutrient-packed choices to enhance your meals or simply curious about which veggies can make a real difference, this video has got you covered. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly what to add to your plate to take control of your health and enjoy delicious, diabetes-friendly meals. Number 1. Carrots. When it comes to diabetes-friendly vegetables, carrots stand out as a versatile and nutrient-packed option. These vibrant, crunchy roots aren't just delicious, they're also a powerhouse of health benefits, making them a fantastic choice for managing blood sugar levels and supporting overall well-being. One of the key advantages of carrots is their high fiber content. Fiber not only keeps you feeling full for longer, but also plays a critical role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Unlike high-carb snacks that cause sudden sugar spikes, carrots provide a steady release of energy, making them an excellent option for anyone looking to maintain balanced glucose levels throughout the day. Beyond their fiber, carrots are rich in vitamin A, a crucial nutrient for boosting immunity and promoting healthy vision. For people with diabetes, who are at a higher risk of developing eye-related complications, this benefit is especially significant. What's more, the natural sweetness of carrots makes them an ideal alternative to sugary snacks, satisfying cravings without the added guilt or blood sugar consequences. Incorporating carrots into your diet is easy and delicious. Enjoy them raw as a crunchy snack, or grate them into a colorful salad for a burst of freshness. Add carrots to vegetable stir-fries for a sweet contrast, or blend them into hearty soups to boost flavor and nutrients. One of the simplest ways to enjoy carrots is by preparing fresh slaws with cabbage and herbs, creating a light, refreshing dish that's packed with both texture and flavor. However, it's worth noting that while carrot juice might be tempting, the juicing process removes much of the fiber that makes carrots so beneficial. Instead of juicing, stick to eating whole or lightly cooked carrots to maximize their health benefits. For a balanced, diabetes-friendly meal, pair carrots with protein-rich options like grilled chicken, tofu, or a handful of nuts. This combination not only enhances flavor but also ensures you're fueling your body with the right nutrients to maintain stable blood sugar levels. By incorporating carrots into your meals, you're not just adding a pop of color to your plate, you're making a thoughtful choice for your health. Packed with fiber, vitamins, and natural sweetness, carrots are proof that eating smart can also be delicious. Number 2. Cabbage. Cabbage may not be the flashiest vegetable, but it's a nutritional powerhouse and a fantastic ally for anyone managing diabetes. Packed with vitamin C, cabbage strengthens your immune system and supports heart health, 2 critical areas for diabetics. Even more notable is its high fiber content, which helps regulate blood sugar by slowing digestion. This ensures a steady release of energy, reducing the risk of sudden spikes and crashes in glucose levels. One of cabbage's greatest strengths is its versatility in the kitchen. Whether stir-fried with lean proteins, boiled for a simple yet comforting side dish, or transformed into a hearty cabbage soup, this humble vegetable adapts beautifully to various cooking methods. A favorite among many is chicken cabbage slaw, a crunchy, flavorful dish that's as nutritious as it is satisfying. To get the most out of cabbage, choose preparation methods that preserve its nutritional value. Steaming or boiling cabbage keeps calories low while retaining essential nutrients. If you're a fan of stir-fry, use a small amount of olive oil to incorporate heart-healthy fats and keep the seasoning minimal to highlight the vegetable's natural flavor. For a refreshing twist, shredded cabbage pairs wonderfully with herbs, carrots, and a light vinaigrette to create a vibrant, diabetes-friendly salad. However, it's important to be mindful of what you pair cabbage with. Avoid combining it with high-carb sides like white rice or heavy sauces, as these can negate its blood sugar benefits. Instead, team it with protein-rich options such as grilled fish, chicken, or tofu to create balanced meals that promote steady glucose levels and overall health. Adding cabbage to your diet is more than just a smart choice. It's a step toward better living. Its ability to nourish, protect, and satisfy makes it an invaluable addition to any diabetes-friendly meal plan. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't underestimate this unassuming vegetable. Cabbage may be humble, but it's a powerful ally in your journey toward improved health and well-being. Number 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are more than just a kitchen staple. They're a diabetes-friendly superfood packed with health benefits. Rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, tomatoes can help reduce the risk of heart disease, a common concern for diabetics. Lycopene also aids in stabilizing blood sugar levels, making tomatoes an excellent choice for maintaining overall health. Low in calories and carbohydrates, tomatoes are ideal for keeping blood sugar levels steady without causing sudden spikes. They're also loaded with essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K, along with potassium, which supports heart and muscle function. By including tomatoes in your diet, you can combat inflammation, boost your immune system, and lower the risk of certain cancers. One of the greatest advantages of tomatoes is their versatility. Enjoy them raw in a refreshing salad or blend them into a smooth, comforting soup. For a savory dish, use fresh tomatoes to create a rich, tangy sauce for simmering fish or lean meats. Tomatoes also pair beautifully with herbs like basil, garlic, and parsley, enhancing flavor naturally without the need for added sugars or salts. For a simple and diabetes-friendly recipe, try roasting cherry tomatoes with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of black pepper. This creates a flavorful side dish that's both healthy and easy to prepare. Alternatively, slice fresh tomatoes and layer them with mozzarella and basil for a quick, classic caprese salad. However, not all tomato products are created equal. Store-bought items like ketchup or pasta sauces often contain added sugars and preservatives, which can counteract the benefits of fresh tomatoes. Opt for homemade preparations to ensure you're maximizing their nutritional value. To create balanced meals, pair tomatoes with lean proteins or whole grains. While tomatoes are naturally low in sugars, combining them with these elements ensures steady blood sugar levels and sustained energy throughout the day. With their vibrant flavor, nutritional richness, and versatility, tomatoes are a must-have for anyone managing diabetes. They're more than just a healthy ingredient. They're a step toward a more balanced, fulfilling lifestyle. If you're finding this video helpful and want more tips on managing diabetes through food, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which vegetable you're excited to try first. Your feedback helps us create content you'll love. Number 4, spinach. Spinach is more than just a leafy green. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can be a game changer for people managing diabetes. Low in calories yet packed with essential nutrients, spinach is ideal for blood sugar control. It's rich in iron, which supports healthy blood circulation and contains thylakoids, natural compounds shown to improve insulin sensitivity. These qualities make spinach an excellent ally in maintaining stable glucose levels. But the benefits go far beyond blood sugar management. Spinach is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, along with magnesium and potassium, nutrients that support heart health and enhance overall metabolic function. Its high fiber content slows digestion, helping to prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar after meals. As a low-carb, low-glycemic food, spinach allows you to eat generously without worrying about disrupting your glucose balance. Incorporating spinach into your diet is both easy and delicious. Kickstart your morning by adding a handful to scrambled eggs or an omelet for a nutrient-packed breakfast. For lunch or dinner, toss spinach into soups, stews, or stir-fries to elevate both the flavor and health benefits of your meal. Looking for something light? Use fresh spinach as the base for a vibrant salad topped with lean protein and a drizzle of olive oil. Spinach also shines in smoothies. Blend it with berries, unsweetened almond milk, and a scoop of Greek yogurt for a refreshing drink that's rich in fiber and vitamins. For a simple yet hearty option, sauté spinach with garlic and olive oil. It makes for a quick, delicious side dish that pairs well with almost any meal. To get the most out of spinach's benefits, pair it with complementary foods. Combining spinach with healthy fats like avocado or nuts boosts the absorption of its fat-soluble vitamins, A squeeze of lemon juice can also enhance iron absorption, making your spinach dishes even more nutrient-dense. Spinach isn't just a vegetable, it's a cornerstone of a diabetes-friendly diet. With its impressive health benefits, delightful taste, and versatility in the kitchen, spinach earns its spot as a daily staple. It's a simple yet powerful step toward better health, offering diabetics a flavorful way to nourish their bodies and enjoy their meals. Number 5. Broccoli. Broccoli isn't just a tasty vegetable, it's a nutritional powerhouse designed for those managing diabetes. Packed with fiber, broccoli helps you feel full longer, making it easier to control portion sizes and maintain a healthy weight. But what really sets broccoli apart is its role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. The fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. This improves digestion and enhances your body's ability to metabolize glucose and cholesterol, contributing to overall metabolic health. But that's not all. Broccoli is also loaded with antioxidants, especially sulforaphane, a compound known to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two critical factors in diabetes management. It's also rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, all of which play vital roles in boosting immunity and supporting heart health. With all these benefits, broccoli is a must-have for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar naturally. Incorporating broccoli into your meals is simple and versatile. For a quick, healthy side dish, steam or roast broccoli florets with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of garlic powder. This method retains all the nutrients while bringing out the vegetable's natural flavors. You can also toss broccoli into stir-fries, soups, or pasta dishes to pack in more nutrients. Craving something light? Add raw broccoli to a salad with a tangy vinaigrette for a satisfying crunch. Broccoli also pairs wonderfully with proteins, making it a perfect side for grilled chicken, baked fish, or tofu. Its ability to absorb flavors means it complements almost any dish. For a creative spin, try making a creamy broccoli soup using low-fat milk or almond milk. It's comforting, filling, and diabetic-friendly. For even more benefits, consider adding other cruciferous vegetables like kale, cauliflower, and cabbage to your diet. These vegetables share similar glucose-regulating properties, and mixing them into your meals can add variety while still delivering consistent nutrition. Broccoli is more than just food. It's a strategic choice for better health. Its high fiber content, antioxidant properties, and culinary versatility make it a top contender in any diabetic-friendly diet. Whether steamed, roasted, or tossed in a salad, broccoli is a simple yet powerful way to support your journey toward better blood sugar control. Number 6. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are a surprisingly powerful vegetable for managing diabetes. With their low glycemic index, cucumbers help maintain stable blood sugar levels without causing sharp spikes. Their high water content promotes hydration and supports weight management, making you feel fuller longer without added calories. What sets cucumbers apart is their ability to reduce inflammation, a common issue for those with diabetes. Rich in antioxidants, they contain flavonoids and tannins, which reduce oxidative stress, helping to manage diabetes and prevent complications. Loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium, cucumbers also support heart health, muscle function, and bone strength. They're incredibly low in calories, making them an ideal snack for weight control without sacrificing nutrition. Incorporating cucumbers into your meals is easy and versatile. They add a refreshing crunch to salads, or you can enjoy them as a snack with hummus or guacamole. A simple side dish can be made by tossing cucumber slices with olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. It's a nutrient-packed and blood sugar-friendly option. Cucumbers also make a great addition to smoothies. Blend them with leafy greens, fresh fruit, and lemon juice for a hydrating, nutrient-dense drink. You can even add cucumbers to soups for a refreshing twist that complements other vegetables and makes your meal even lighter and diabetes-friendly. Pair cucumbers with other low-glycemic vegetables like tomatoes and leafy greens to create vibrant, blood sugar-stabilizing meals. Their versatility allows endless combinations that are both nutritious and satisfying. Incorporating cucumbers into your diet is a simple way to manage blood sugar while enjoying a range of health benefits. Whether in salads, smoothies, or as a snack, cucumbers are a delicious, refreshing, and diabetes-friendly choice. Number 7. Mushrooms. Mushrooms may not always be top of mind when it comes to managing blood sugar, but these humble fungi pack a punch in terms of health benefits, making them a great addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. Rich in vitamin B, mushrooms support brain function and help reduce inflammation, which is crucial for diabetics. Chronic inflammation is a common issue that can worsen insulin resistance and contribute to complications like heart disease. Mushrooms shine because of their unique compounds. They are abundant in fiber, polysaccharides, and phenolic compounds, antioxidants that fight oxidative stress. This antioxidant action is vital in reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications, such as cardiovascular disease, a common concern for those managing diabetes. What makes mushrooms particularly effective for blood sugar control is their high polysaccharide content. These compounds improve the gut microbiome, which enhances insulin sensitivity and reduces insulin resistance. Studies even suggest that certain mushrooms can help lower blood sugar levels and improve glucose metabolism. The versatility of mushrooms in cooking makes them an easy and tasty addition to any meal. Sauté them in olive oil with garlic and herbs for a simple, flavorful side dish. You can also grill, roast, or stuff mushrooms for a heartier meal, giving your dishes a rich, savory flavor. Mushrooms can enhance soups by adding depth of flavor and nutrients that support blood sugar regulation. Blend them into smoothies or use them as a meat substitute in vegetarian recipes to create diabetes-friendly, heart-healthy meals. Pair mushrooms with other low-glycemic vegetables like spinach, zucchini, and bell peppers for vibrant, nutrient-dense meals. Adding lean protein such as chicken or tofu ensures a balanced dish that won't spike blood sugar. Incorporating mushrooms into your daily diet is an easy way to manage diabetes while boosting your overall health. Their antioxidant properties, blood sugar regulating compounds, and culinary versatility make them a must-have for anyone looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels naturally. Whether in salads, stir-fries, or soups, mushrooms are a flavorful, low-calorie choice that supports diabetes management. Incorporating these 7 vegetables into your daily meals can make a significant difference in managing diabetes. From the fiber-packed carrots to the antioxidant-rich spinach, each vegetable brings unique benefits to help regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and support overall health. So, the next time you're planning your meals, think about how you can add these nutrient-packed veggies for a healthier, diabetes-friendly diet. Don't forget, taking small steps like these can lead to big changes in your health journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you, and goodbye.